what's going on, guys? Are you trying to rank for a specific keyword, but you're just getting nowhere? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and you could do it yourself. Watch this! Guys, so I had a client who had a very specific problem. He's an electrician in New York City, and he just wanted more ECB violation removal jobs. My client said to me, hey, how do we get more ECB violation jobs? So let's get started. As you know, I'm a fan of using a program called SEMrush. You could put in the keyword like ECB violation, and you could see how hard it is to rank for that keyword. And you also want to see how many people are searching a month for that keyword. So notice that there's a lot of action for that keyword. Look, if 210 people are looking for ECB violations, well, those 210 people must have an issue. That's not a keyword that you just stumble upon. I had to use something called like a foot in the door technique. If I just get him a domain name and try to rank for ECB violation, it may take a little while. So I used a variation on the domain name called emergency ECB violation removal. And it may not show in the stats, but he gets several calls a month just using that keyword. So not many, but anybody who calls, they need it done right away. So he gets several jobs a month. So I first started off with emergency ECB violation removal. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these related keywords, and I'm going to write pages, for example, called pay ECB violation removal or how to pay ECB violation removals, so I could get him found for other keywords. But what I needed was a foot in the door. I first had to tell Google, okay, this is what the website's about. And as you could see, we rank #1 for that keyword. Then I'm going to build services pages here and blog pages and so on and so forth. But I did my job. I did what I was supposed to do. I got him ranked. If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'd be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.